Hi, I'm Arsham, and this series of videos about computer science and game development are sponsored by Kitakode. I've started taking a course called CS50 made by Harvard, which gives you all the knowledge you need for computer science and game development. And this series of videos are summarized versions of that course. Feel free to check it out for yourself. Now on to the video. In this video, we're going over another algorithm called binary search. The idea of the binary search algorithm is to divide and conquer the problem, which reduces the search area by half each time to find your desired number. Another small thing that needs to be done for the searching algorithm to work is to sort the array beforehand, so we can have a better finding time and for this algorithm to work. So let's try this example. Let's try finding the number 19 from this array. This array has 15 elements, which is indexed from 0 to 14. So what we need to do first is divide the array and find the middle. So in this case, by adding 14 and 0 and dividing it by 2, which gives us 7. And in that place is our midpoint. So now we see if the current element we're checking is the same as our target, which in this case is not. We know that 19 is a larger number than 15, so we can eliminate the left side of the array, meaning we don't have to search there anymore. So now we have the right half, which we need to divide into 2 again. So add 8 by 14, divide them by 2, which gives us 11, and the value in the 11th index is 23. So now we have to check if 19 is larger than 23, and in this case, because it's not, now we eliminate the right half of our equation. Now we take another half, which is 9, because we add 8 and 10 divided by 2, which gives us the 9th index, and the value there is 19. So now we have found our targeted number, so now we can stop our program. And the same thing happens even if we don't have a specific number that we're trying to find in this array. So it keeps searching until it sees that there are no more elements to compare in this array, so it stops the program. So now let's talk about the worst case and the best case scenario. The worst case would be that you have to divide the list of n elements in half repeatedly to find your target, either because the element can be found at the end, or because it doesn't exist in the array at all. But the best case would be that the first midpoint you calculate, the value you're targeting is in that first midpoint. So the worst case in terms of the big O notation would be O of log n. And the best case would be omega of 1. Okay, hopefully you guys understood what binary search is and you learned how to use it. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon because it makes you notified every time I upload. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.